Hello kids, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to discuss sounds of English alphabet. It is very important to learn the sound of each letters to learn a language. So today we can discuss the sound of English alphabets. So let's see the sounds. A, B, B, K, S, K as in cat, S as in ceremony, D, A, F, G as in got, J as in giraffe, H, E as in ink, I as in ice cream, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's read together. Are you ready? Come, let's read together. A, B, K or S, D, A, F, G or J, H, E or I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U or A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Hope the sounds are clear for you. Now practice well. See you next day. Bye bye. Take care.